Welcome to Road Rush. Today we're diving deep into two fascinating topics: the ultra-luxury world of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan series and Brazil's missile systems, performance and emerging defense profile in 2026. Let's start with one of the most talked about luxury SUVs on the planet. Imagine stepping into a vehicle that's more like a private jet on wheels than a traditional sport utility vehicle. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan continues the British marque's tradition of whisper-quiet refinement, opulence, and bespoke personalization, but with sharper styling and technology upgrades that take it to the next level. At its heart is the legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, tuned to produce around 590 to 600 horsepower depending on configuration, and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that feeds all-wheel drive for effortless acceleration and torque delivery. With that setup, you're looking at a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly sub-5 seconds. Territory remarkable for a vehicle that weighs nearly 3 tons, but perfectly in line with Rolls-Royce's commitment to smooth power rather than raw sportiness. MotorTrend +1, but performance here isn't about chasing lap times. It's about delivering a serene cruising experience. The Cullinan's advanced self-leveling air suspension with road scanning technology scans the surface ahead and adjusts the damping proactively, smoothing out bumps before you even feel them. Combined with extensive sound insulation and near-silent operation, it reinforces the brand's signature magic carpet ride feel that almost defies physics. Houston Architects. Step inside, and you'll find an environment that sets new benchmarks in luxury. Rolls-Royce has crafted a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a traditional SUV interior. With the finest leathers, bespoke wood veneers, and personalized trim options, new customization possibilities are staggering. From animated starlight headliners with adjustable patterns to fully bespoke embroidery and handcrafted details tailored to the owner's tastes, technology has been discreetly woven in too, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen powered by the refined Spirit operating system, and features like night vision, advanced driver assistance systems, and high-speed connectivity that enhance safety and convenience without distracting from the peaceful ambience. Freedom Squatchers +1, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan continues to embody exclusivity, not only through its materials and craftsmanship, but also through its rarity, with bespoke demands often dictating long lead times and extremely personalized options. These SUVs rarely look the same once they roll out of the factory. Purists appreciate that Rolls-Royce didn't simply follow the SUV, a craze, but redefined it for the ultra-wealthy boutique of customers who want serenity on wheels. A statement of status and a virtually silent cocoon that separates them from the outside world. Houston Architects. In on the pricing front, the Cullinan remains costly, starting at roughly $400,000 to $450,000 in many global markets, and extending much higher once bespoke options and black badge enhancements are factored in. In markets like Pakistan, for example, the price in 2026 can exceed 27 crore Pakistani rupees, with variations depending on configurations and taxes. An important point to note is that while the Cullinan excels in comfort and prestige, some critics point out its relatively modest fuel economy due to that massive V12 and the sheer weight of the vehicle. In independent ratings, the Cullinan's overall score can settle around the mid-70s out of 100, suggesting that while it is excellent for its intended purpose, it isn't the sportiest, most efficient, or most thrilling SUV compared to some performance-oriented rivals, like Latno. Shifting gears to a completely different field, defense. Brazil, while not usually in the headlines for military tech like the US or China, has been quietly elevating its missile capabilities in 2026. A key milestone has been the Brazilian Air Force's successful integration and live firing of the MBDA Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile from its Saab F-39E Gripen jets. This advanced missile, known for its ramjet propulsion that sustains thrust throughout its flight, dramatically expands Brazil's air defense reach and ensures a large no-escape zone against agile targets. During recent BVRX exercises, multiple Meteor firings successfully hit maneuvering target drones. These exercises not only showcased the missile's performance, including excellent guidance and hit precision, but also underscored Brazil's growing sophistication in modern air combat capabilities, positioning it alongside other advanced nations operating Meteor. Start +1 beyond the Meteor missile.